Galvezia, Juncea, Gran, Canon, Baja Bush Snapdragon. This is probably 2 or 3 of them planted here, and this is very, very mature. 4 feet tall by about 5 feet wide, maybe slightly shorter. Full sun to full shade, red flowers in the spring and summer. Blue-green stems. It's not, summer has passed, yet it's still in bloom. Somehow nature tricked us. So the hummingbirds would stick its beak through there. What's interesting about this is that the leaf is more like a stalk, and it's a gray-green color. I think it's gorgeous, although I have had some clients that didn't care for it, so it's an acquired taste.